Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to solve a problem based on Sommelet-Hauser rearrangement. Here we have to find the structure of product along with the mechanism. Let's go through the mechanism to find the structure of product. The tetrahydroisoquinoline derivative has a tertiary nitrogen which acts as a nucleophile. Ethyl bromoacetate has electrophilic carbon. SN2 attack by tertiary nitrogen on ethyl bromoacetate produces this quaternary ammonium salt. These two alpha hydrogens are acidic in nature because the carbon bearing these two hydrogens is attached to a quaternary nitrogen on one hand and an ester group on the other hand. DBU is a base and abstracts one of the two hydrogens like this to produce this ammonium ylide, which undergoes 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement to produce this bicyclic compound with trans-alkene as the major product. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.